Okay, so before I would ever present the numbers to Ed, I would first get confirmation that we're on the right F-150. Right color,
Yeah, I like that color.
right equipment.
Yeah,
This is a vehicle you will take home if the numbers are right.
if the numbers are correct.
So we have the most important part of the equation taken care of. We got the right vehicle. And this is also the most expensive vehicle you've ever purchased, correct? So you're liable to see some of the highest payments you've ever seen. But here's what you're not going to see. For the next 3 years or 36,000 miles, you're not going to see a major repair bill. Because if something breaks, Ford is going to pay for the repair. What you're not going to see for 5 years, 60,000 miles, is a large powertrain repair bill. Because if something fails, Ford will fix it at their cost. You're not going to need to buy roadside assistance from anybody for 5 years. We're going to provide you 5 years, 60,000 miles worth of roadside assistance. We're going to provide you 90 days worth of Sirius radio. After that, it's completely up to you if you want to keep it. But the first 90 days will cost you absolutely nothing. You're going to get the Ford Pass app. That Ford Pass app will start your car, stop your car, heat your car, cool your car, lock your car, unlock your car, start your car. It's very, very cool. You're going to love it. So, Ed, all these things are coming with your new F-150. Now I know what you're thinking because I can feel it. But Steve, we would have gone over all this stuff before now, right?
Sure.
I hope we would have.
Probably not.
But maybe not. But let me ask you this. The customer hear everything you say?
No.
No.
Do they remember everything you say?
No.
Do these things have value?
They do.
Absolutely.
If you don't think they do, next time a customer is busting you, wanting a $2,000 discount, say, I got an idea. I'll be right back. Just leave, walk around the building. Don't dare go to Caleb's office. Walk around the building, come back and say, hallelujah. I got you a $3,000 additional discount. We just can't give you this, or any of this. Cool? Is the customer going to buy?
Nope.
Hell no. So these things have value. Remind them. It's business 101 in every other industry. Do a recap of the benefits before you ask the customer to pay. All right?
Sure.
But it's not the way we've always done it, and this profession is the poster child for one. Shit, that's not the way we've always done it. I never was taught anything like this. I walked out with a foursquare, okay? I was a dumbass. I wasn't smart enough to figure out this stuff on my own. I have to learn from other people.